Hi, world political leaders, world population is too, of the whole world. I, the Ruda President Barafinda Sechikubo Fred, am greeting you in my internal real name, or names. Therefore, my names are my first priority surrounding among others. Therefore, you are the leaders rather than dictators. Here and there you gather globally, discussing matters of diversities. We have to introduce new ways and systems under certain mechanisms. Thinking of new ways of skinning an animal using modern technicalities in thinking and broadening our borongotas to utilize our brains maximally and in useful ways, in meaningful styles. Thinking deeply, digging out what has been lacking globally since time immemorial, before our existence and before our coming towards the leadership ladder of good leadership in governance systems, in governing people, managing them and their resources too. Mostly I refer to the educated ones. The educative ones, you must be very serious, using the real skills and the real meaningful of those skills that you have, you possessed, you got from the industries, manufacturing, intellectuals, so-called schools, the universities, higher institutions, educational institutions, secondary levels, primary ones, the advanced ones and the dropouts. As far as the academic struggles are concerned globally. Therefore, you leaders, if really you are not leaders to dictate terms, you have to sit and think maturely, intellectually, as intellectuals or elites of the promising people of futurity. Here I mean the coming future of the citizens. Where is the coming future of the citizens? Even if I touch and flash around me, I don't see the future of the citizens. Is in total darkness, in the dangerous gorge, and never to forget the Akanyoni. Therefore, we have to think how to uplift people's welfare and their well-beings of day to day, creating meaningful education, creating meaningful jobs to citizens, creating meaningful production here and yon globally, for the betterment of all citizens, not some, not a business of self-loving. I mean you, the leaders or the total dictators of the world. You are just few but misleading the majority. Why do you mistreat people? Busy constructing prisons, state prisons here and yon. Those are some of the indicators of dictatorship and the preparations of imprisoning in very many people, big populations in those safe buildings. Your plans are well known. That you want to make the world the very dangerous place to some other people. So you should not think of that plan. And its plan action must be disqualified by God in top gear. In failure of doing the positive one you are supposed to do and decide to choose for the poor citizens, your poor production and performance, very dreadful, very dangerous. You are preparing the citizens of the state or region of or continent or of the world the seats on volcanoes, which volcanoes are very active and stand by class 1 ready to erupt against these citizens, the world population is. That preparation is very dangerous and very dreadful. You are making citizens to become fuel of the active volcano. Why? You remove all land taxations so that people can be well liberated on their golden free land being given by God. You never invested your money there and say that you are aiming at bringing back your invested money. It is a free asset like oxygen, like sun. Here I mean sunshine, rainfall, winds, to mention but a few. Land is also a free given asset to all citizens, the poor ones and the richer ones, all sexes. So our lands must not be taxed whatsoever. You dangerous politicians, put the ball down so that everyone can kick off the ball. That ball is for all, not for some. You are not giving the report and accountability of all the gathered taxes and revenues from the land. So you are preparing the cases that the citizen is inferior to raise up those taxes and revenues from their lands. They will have to lose their lands and be sold, and you continue gathering huge cash, you the dictators. You are also lying yourselves, deceiving yourselves. You are also sitting on deadly and dreadful, dangerous volcanoes which are very ready and about to erupt with you, to erupt against you. And their magma will flow with you until you become lava. God shall not save you from that dangerous business upon my world citizens. But basing here in Rwanda, what is taking place here in 24/7 is very watchful. So you must be very attentive to God's plan and God's assets. These are free assets being given to citizens freely in order to have total freedoms in their utilization. Don't tax their buildings and their land, so that the businesses or investments under those ceiling boards can be also cheap to the poor ones. But if you tax land and you tax the buildings, then you tax the internal businesses, shops and whatever, then you are making the price of those commodities, I mean goods and services, to be very expensive to the poor ones. Moreover, they don't have below the house. Here I mean they have nothing like a garden to get, or certain cultivatable land to get what to feed themselves and to feed their younger ones. People are dying of poverty, hunger, famines building mountains and mountains among the poor societies, poor families. They are dying everywhere, every day, every morning, every moment. And you end up selling them limbo, tombos, graves. People are dying in a big number because of very many factors, man-made factors, dreadful ones. To finish up, my citizens, I, Barafinda Sechbo Fred, the senior politician with the total seniority, I'm coming to seize you from performing badly in the lineage of animosity. Your animosity activities are very dreadful, and God is very annoyed of you and your activities. They are satanic activities. Love others as you love yourselves. If you hate others, you are also hating yourselves and hating your families too. The cursing after yourself will have to make the continuity upon your children and grandchildren too. Respect God and his people. In failure to do that, you are going to face it roughly. In the broad daytime, here I mean the dictators of this world. So we need to be liberated by God himself, by his power, because God is very powerful. You have proved that you are very weak, you the rulers, political rulers of these days. You are not doing what you are supposed to do, but you go beyond man's limits. You go beyond man's understandings, beyond man's IQ. Bityo rero twifuza ko abantu baba mu isi ituje itekanye kuri bose kandi muri byose kandi bihe byose, ku bakuru n'abakiri bato ibitsina byombi, n'abazavuka bakazavukira ahantu heza. Bityo rero mwabanyapolitike mwe, banyapolitiki bazuzubya abantu, bazuzubya abaturage, aho kububakira amashuri menshi, amavuriro menshi, amasoko yo guhahiramo, bibe amasoko y'amasoko koko, masoko nyamasoko arimo byose, arimo umusaruro w'ingeri zitandukanye. Ahubwo mukarema ibintagazi by'amagereza hariya mutsindagiramo abantu. Iyo ni imbonezarubyaro mwazanye, ntimuzane imbonezarubyaro y'ako kageni. Kirazira, kikaziririzwa, kikazira, kikaba ari n'ingeso mbi cyane, mico mibi ituruka kuri Satani, ituruka ku Uwiteka. Mwagiye mu ishuri kwiga, mu minuze mu gutekereza neza kijyambere byihuse. Mwarangiza mwe mukaryoherwa hano ku isi kuko mwavutse, mukabuza abandi ko bavuka, ngo nimbonezarubyaro. Mwe banyapolitike mwe, mwongere mutekereze neza cyane. Think twice and rethink twicely or thrice. Umwana ajya avuka, yivukire ku mubyeyi runaka, ku babyeyi runaka, afungurirwe konte muri banka cyangwa mu kigo cy'ishoramari ry'isoko ry'imigabane, ry'imari y'imigabane. Bityo rero uwo mwana agurirwe imigabane muri iryo soko ry'imari y'imigabane cyane imigabane, cyangwa kuri konte muri banka afungurirwe konte, ashirirweho amafaranga make n'umubyeyi, ashirirweho amafaranga na leta, ashirirweho amafaranga n'umushoramari wo mu mahanga uze muri icyo gihugu, ashirirweho amafaranga n'uwo mushoramari w'umukire muri iki gihugu. Hanyuma ibyo bizitwe iteganyabukungu ry'abana b'abanyarwanda bazavuka n'abavutse, tusigasira n'abariho none abazabaho bakazavuga koko twari dufite ababyeyi nyababyeyi. Ababyeyi bakuru ntibari ababyeyi gito, ntibabuzaga urubyaro ko rwabaho, ntibabuzaga umuntu kuza ku isi, ntibatezaga imbere imbonezarubyaro ngo nibwo bazakungahara. Barabashuka ku mpamvu zose, barababesha. uwababeshe yababeshe cyane. Muzabe bake munabure n'ubwenge, nimubabeshe muzamenya ubwenge. Uwo ni umugani mbaciriye.